Hi, this is RF, and this is my bonus project demonstration. So here I made a speedometer. I have the SRF04 sensor here connected to Arduino, and here I'm going to use this as a barrier. So when I start the program, first it asks user what is the set threshold speed. So in this case I choose 30, and as soon as I select 30, I have two charts here. One is for distance and another one is for the speed. So when I set the speed on 30, if I exceed that one, the buzzer and LED would be turned on. So you can see that if I make the object far from the sensor, you can see that the distance is changing. Also the speed. So if the object is stationary, speed is 0. But if I change the position of the object barrier, it'll be changed. Also, you can see here that object is stationary or going far or is getting close. So if the speed is less than 30 centimeters per second, nothing happens. But as soon as I just move it fast, you can see that it detects the speed of the barrier. Also, when I press the button here, the program will be stopped, like here. All right, so for the first learning outcome, I'm testing my data by using a unit test. So here I just test if the time is 0, so it should throws the invalid argument, and also 50 random values for speed and time to see if the actual function is working properly. For the second learning outcome, I'm using a JFree chart to graph the data. So it is a real-time data. When I change the distance of the barrier, it will be changed as well. Also, I'm using a serial connection between the Arduino and the Java to make this connection happen. For the third learning outcome, I'm storing my speed and I'm storing my speed and time data into an array list and use it afterwards. For the fourth learning outcome, I'm using a state machine. So with the if and if else conditions. So I try to set a I try to ask user to input the set threshold speed. If the object speed is more than that, it will be activate the buzzer through the serial connection, and if it's not, it's just stopping the buzzer. Also, if the object is getting far or getting close or stationary, this is also another state machine that I'm showing in the Run tab. Finally, for the fifth learning outcome, I'm using polymorphism here. I'm using different classes also, and also I'm using private data in several sections of my program. Yep, thank you.